Hi guys, welcome to BABUJEE Academy from ALIZAI group of channels. Guys, again today I am with a new video and a new topic. Our today topic is adaptation of plants. In the previous videos we studied osmoregulation in plants and how plants are classified on the basis of osmoregulation and homeostasis in plants. And today's video lecture we will study adaptation of plants. So what are the adaptation of plants? The adjustment of plants in a particular environment for their best survival. In order to increase their chances of survival, plants do adjustment in their environment. Metabolism of plants has a direct relation with temperature, which means that a high rate of metabolism means a high temperature and a low rate of metabolism means a low temperature. Temperature can be minimum, maximum or optimum for plant survival. Now what adaptation does plant do to low temperature? Leaves and stems of plants are hard and can stand against low temperature. In order to stand against low temperature, plants have leaves and stems which are hard. Plants possess scale leaves in order to adapt themselves to low temperature. They have a low rate of transpiration. In order to retard cooling, they have a low rate of transpiration. Possesses well-developed bark for protection. Now what adaptation plants do to high temperature? They store water for different types of metabolic activities. Leaves are modified into spines. The stomata are sunken in order to reduce transpiration. The stomata are sunken and leaves are modified into spines. Transpiration is the loss of water through leaves and plants. They have large size liquid which store water. In order to adapt themselves to high temperature, they have a large size liquid which store water. Okay guys, let me summarize today's class what we studied. So we studied that plants do adjustment in their environment for their best survival. Metabolism has a direct relation with temperature. Temperature can be minimum, maximum or optimum for the best survival of plants. In order to adapt themselves to low temperature, plant possesses leaves and stems which are hard and can stand against low temperature. They possess scale leaves, have low rate of transpiration and possess well-developed bark for protection. What adaptation plants do to high temperature? They store water for different purposes. Leaves are modified into spine and stomata are sunken in order to reduce transpiration. They have a large size liquid which store water. Okay guys, it was our today video about adaptation of plants to high temperature and low temperature. Guys, if you like my video, then press the like, share and subscribe button, and also tell me below in the comment box that how was today's video.